Hello friends, you have got money to invest but you are confused. Should you choose SIP or lump sum? Let's understand. Let's take an example. Rohan invests 10,000 every month for 1 year, whereas Aman invests 1,20,000 all at once. So both have invested 1.2 lakh. Now, who earns more? Well, it depends on the market conditions. Both are investing in mutual funds, but they are investing very differently. First, let's understand SIP. SIP means investing a fixed amount regularly. It could be monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Because you are investing at different market levels, you benefit from rupee cost averaging. In simple words, friends, you invest consistently without worrying about timing the market. Now let's talk about lump sum investing. Here you invest a large amount in one go, and it generally works best when the market is available at lower level, but there is no averaging benefit. So timing becomes very important, and if you keep waiting for the perfect opportunity, you might miss it altogether. Here, higher reward potential, but timing matters. So friends, when SIP works better, SIP is usually better if you are a salaried investor, like you are earning a regular income and investing during volatile or uncertain markets. It helps you reduce timing risk, it builds investing discipline, and makes investing emotionally easier. Now, when lump sum works better. So friends, lump sum investing works better when you already have a large amount of ideal cash and the market has corrected or it is available at attractive levels. It allows you to capture the full upside and your money starts working immediately. So now, let's look at the risk. Friends, with SIP, return may look slower during a strong bull market, but over the long term, it helps build wealth consistently. Whereas with lump sum, if the market falls right after you invest, your portfolio can take a hit. And honestly, getting the timing right is very difficult. So remember, neither is always better. SIP is about consistency and discipline, whereas lump sum is about opportunity and timing. Save this before your next investment and follow for more such investing insights. Happy investing.